up everybody, Honest Table here, bringing you another video. Today this is going to be a great one, a start of our series. This series is going to be me helping you out with Minecraft tips and tricks. I'm not really going to be doing them on building traps or those kind of stuff, or at least I think I probably won't. Mostly because I'm not that good at building traps, and I'd probably have to search up a YouTube video myself to figure it out, so I don't think I should be the one helping you. So, that's that. But today, I am going to be teaching you something very special. The MLG water bucket jump, as you saw me do about 30 seconds ago. I have 4 tips for you, 2 of which don't apply as much, but help you in the long run and help you with water bucket jumping and just save you a little bit of time, so you should definitely watch the whole video because those ones will be very, very helpful. And let's go on to tip number 1. So tip number 1, this is a very rookie mistake. Most people, while they're falling down, they look exactly down, like I'm doing right now. But that will lead them to put the water bucket behind them, not in front of them. When they're landing on this block, they put it there. So I would recommend dropping like this, because then you're probably going to put the water bucket where you need it to put. It's just a very rookie mistake, so it can lead it to be 50% of your 50% of your jumps to be very unsuccessful. So you should definitely watch out for that. My second tip is very helpful. This one will help you out with many things, and it just, in the long run, is going to help you out for training to be a good MLG water jumper. So this one, okay, I've said, I'm probably going to die there. Yeah, I died there. Okay. I was recording the controls wrong. But what I'm going to say is, for this next tip, you should start small. Well, okay, so if you're trying to learn how to do just the jumping and dropping, then start small. So start at maybe this point, whatever point you want. It's a lot easier when you're jumping from a lower distance. See this, you might not know this, but this tower I kind of have right here, it goes up to the height limit. And I've performed the MLG water jump from the height limit many times. But the thing is, but that's very difficult. So if you're just beginning, I'd say start smaller. But if you want to do what I did in the first part of the video, where you drop it and then catch it and then water it. So I would say 1, obviously start with what I'm teaching you right now, just the simple water drop. But 2, I would say start higher once you're good with that, because the thing is for the drop, you want to have as much time as you can to catch the water bucket in the air, because that just will help you out in the long run with the thing. So, but the shorter you can do it, so if I could drop it and then catch it from all the way up here, that'd be very impressive because it's not that high. This is not very high. So I would suggest starting high if you want to do that. Tip number 4 is one of the tips that doesn't really apply, or tip number 3 actually, is one of the tips that doesn't really apply to MLG water jumping as much, but would still be helpful in this category. So this is not really a tip about water jumping, but it's advice. So unless you're trying to prepare for some MLG water jumping competition, or you play with your friends every day and practice this, I would say try not to practice MLG water jumping unless it's just for fun. Because the thing is in servers, let's say you're playing Bed Wars or something, most of these things you don't have to MLG water jump. And in survival, you don't really even need to MLG water jump at all, but many people do it just cause. But you don't really ever need to. So I feel like you could be practicing other things and getting better at Minecraft in the long run, other than practicing MLG water jumping. But the thing is like, it's your choice, obviously. If you want to learn MLG water jumping, go ahead. I'm not the one to stop you. I'm just giving you the advice to that it would help you more if you don't learn it. But anyways, if you do choose to MLG water jump, the first 2 tips would help you out. Thanks for watching my 3 tips. Enjoy the video. Peace.